In this video, let's take a look at defining our inspection point in more detail. As you put a box around your inspection point, this region definition form appears. As you go down the left side, you can select whether it's a reference, variable, or pass-fail. Below, you can select whether it's a range or a multiple. In this case, it's a multiple of 2. Most of the time, it will be a multiple of 1. You will see the nominal here, 0.075. This is a 3-place decimal, so this 3-place column is brought over here. In our system, there are 4 ways to define the tolerances. The first and most common is to use the number of decimal places. In this case, it brought in the 3-place decimal tolerance. These tables, also called block tolerances, can be predefined in our admin tab under Creator Defaults. You can have several block tolerances, and you can select them in our Op Settings menu for each operation. The second method is just typing in your tolerance, whatever it may be. The third method would be to use an ISO type of tolerance. Once you define these and lock it, the tolerance will depend on the nominal, and the size of the nominal based on the class of the tolerance. These classes can also be defined in the ISO Tolerances tab in the admin module. The final method of defining a tolerance is if you were to pick up through optical character recognition or through typing 2 sets of numbers. You check the 2 boxes. What it will do is divide this in half, put the nominal here, and the upper and lower tolerance here. Now let's take a look at some of the other useful features in this form. This checkbox is for critical to quality. Next, we have the AQL level. You can define these, and they will be used later if you were to post these parts in a batch mode. Next, we have the sampling rate. This would be used to post this part in a session mode environment. In a session mode posting, you can also have timed minutes for each inspection point. You can add more of these using the Edit button. Below is the measurement device type. More of these can be defined in our calibration module in the main menu. Next, we have description. This field can contain any text. If this field contained a link to a PowerPoint presentation or a photograph, you could check this box. Then, when the poster launches this inspection item, the link will also launch.